today we are going to be doing a glueless install on this beautiful unit from Eyeminks. This is our 5x5 HD closure unit in the style Valentina. She is body wave. This unit is so pretty, you guys. I literally been just slapping her on my head lately, and she makes for the perfect on-the-go style. So if you guys are interested in how I achieve this style and also these curls, please keep watching because I'm going to be showing you guys all of that in today's video. Before we get started with today's video, you guys already know the drill. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also smash on that bell button because every week I'll be back with more videos and tutorials on how to style the units featured on Eyeminks. So you guys, let's get started with today's video.
Okay, beauties, we're going to get started with our styling. So first we're going to take our wax stick and we're just going to get those flyaways and our part to be more defined. So I like to do this first, and then I go over with my hot comb, and then I'm going to take my wand curl and then just put some more curls in it to freshen her up. She has been washed and blow dried, and so I'm just basically re-prepping her so that I can have like a fresh install. And you guys, this wig is literally clutch. Like, when I tell you I have not been getting dressed lately and I just haven't been feeling like doing anything to my hair, this wig has just been a game changer. Like, I do my makeup, I get dressed, and my wig is already prepped from, like, you know, the night before. Even like right before I put it on, I just pop a few curls in it and she is ready to go. So I'm just so in love with her. Like, this unit is just honestly the best. And so if you are interested in her, she is our Valentina unit. You can purchase her on eyeminks.com. She's very affordable. I do have different lengths and also density for her, so please go check her out. This unit is very versatile. I mean, you can do a lot of styles on her. You can curl her, you can crimp her, you can do whatever type of curls or patterns that you want because you can manipulate this hair. You can make her straight as well, but I like to wear her curly, and you can also wear her in her natural state because she is body wave, so you can do that. But pretty much, yeah, I just prep my wigs right before I put her on, or even the night before, like I said, and I just get her ready to wear. And it's honestly been the best thing ever. So that's what I'm gonna be doing in this section. It's gonna show you guys how I styled her, and then we're gonna move on to how I install and how easy it is. You guys, I'm not playing. It's like a hat. I just put her on. So you're gonna see me just literally style her, and then I'm gonna put her on. So that's what I'm gonna be doing in this section. I'm not gonna talk over it, but I'm just gonna show you guys how I get my curls to look the way that they do. And yeah, so keep watching.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget.
Alright, you guys, so now that we're done prepping her, we're gonna do our literally easy peasy install. And this happens in literally one step. I literally just take the wig off of the mannequin head and I just apply her. And baby hairs, you know, I just make them look very natural. I like to comb them, and they're already basically just ready to just be positioned already. So that's all I do. I'm just gonna adjust the wig to my head. She's very comfortable. And yes, you guys, look how slayed she is already. Like, come on now. 5 minutes. Like, literally, this wasn't even 5 minutes. This is like a minute. So I'm telling you guys, it's worth it. Glueless is the way to go. If you want to save your edges, if you don't want to put product on your hair, your face, this is going to be the way to go. And like I said, it's a game changer. So if you guys are interested in her, please visit eyeminks.com, and you guys will love her. You guys will not be disappointed. I'm going to be showing you guys a lot more of Valentina and how you can wear her, prep her, style her, and all of that. If you guys have any questions about her, how to wear her glueless, or just more questions, please feel free to comment down below. And yes, guys, I'm going to let you guys continue to watch me slay this unit because she's honestly just a no-brainer. And who doesn't want a no-brainer wig? Like, so easy out of the box. Like, you don't have to do anything. So the units on my site, they all come pre-customized, pre-plucked, bleached knots, and plucked hairline and styled and all that. So you won't have to worry about styling her further. Just manipulate the baby hair how you want, and she is all yours and ready to just be worn. So yes, you guys, check her out.
Alright beauties, that is it for today's video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash on that bell button, because next week I will be back with more content. You guys, please go and check out Valentina. She is on Eyeminks.com. You guys will not be disappointed if you purchase this unit. She is just beautiful, luxurious. Everything about her is perfect, and I want you guys to feel just as beautiful as I do with her on, okay? So yes, you guys, this unit is at Eyeminks.com. Don't forget to visit my description box. I will have all the information down there for you guys. And as always, it's my pleasure. I will see you guys in the next video, and the next video after that, and after that, all right? All right, bye. Mwah.